We're at an interesting point as far as romance goes. I think we need to acknowledge that while romance isn't dead, it's not people. Does that make sense? I think human beings, we are no longer the most romantic creature on this planet. As a species, in terms of romance, I believe humans peaked at the film Love Actually. Yeah, and it's been downhill ever since. It's not dead, and there's just better examples out there on planet Earth. Birds. I'm the only one in here that eats edibles and watches Planet Earth. Nobody knows what the fuck I'm talking about. There's romance in the bird. Yeah, man. They put the effort in. There's no swiping in the bird community. If a man bird wants to woo a lady bird, he tries. He lets her know. He's like, hey, lady bird. Oh, I see you ladybirds out there. What y'all ladybirds doing? You checking out Papa Bird's nest? My nest? Yes, it does match my feathers. Thank you for noticing. Now, I'm gonna ask y'all ladybirds a question, and you can be honest with me. Y'all ladybirds want to see Papa Bird dance? Well, let me hear it if y'all ladybirds want to see Papa Bird dance. Excellent decision, ladybirds. Papa Bird, he's got some moves. Watch me now.